Today I will show you fastest way how you can earn money every hour. At first guys, if you write on YouTube how to earn money, you will find a lot of videos. For example, get paid $1000 watching Google ads. But this doesn't work. And yes, I checked it by myself. But everyday people is still watching similar videos and just lose their time. That's why today I will show you really working way how you can earn money online. As you can see, every hour I earn 9500 gold, and everything what I need to do is just after some hours click collect gold, and then as you can see I have more gold on my account. So now guys, I will show you that on my wallet I have $155. So after that I just click withdraw my gold and exchange it to real money, real USDT. So as I told, just click exchange, and now I will have more money on my wallet. As you can see guys, I have $208 on my wallet. So I earned $53 just per some hour, and I spent it around 1 minute to do this. So guys, now I will show you how you can earn exactly like me. You just need to go under this video and click on the game link. After that you need to log in on your account and connect your MetaMask wallet. As you can see guys, I have MetaMask wallet, that's why I just click connect. And as you can see, this is everything what you need to do. But if you don't know how to download MetaMask, or if you don't know how to connect them, you can just click on the instructions. And here I created step-by-step instructions how to connect your wallet and earn money online. So everything what you need to do after that is just buy first pirate per $2. After that you can upgrade this pirate to level 3 and buy next pirate. But of course you can invest only $2 and buy first pirate. Then if you want to earn more gold per hour, you need to buy more pirates. As you can see, I bought 5 pirates and I invested on them $1000. That's why I already earn a lot of money per hour. Also, as you can see, I told you about this game almost every video. And first video about this game I created 12 days ago. So as you can understand, I already earned a lot of money. And obviously you could do the same if you was subscribed on my channel. Also, when I earn $500 from these pirates, I will buy next pirate for $500. So I will start earn more money. And like this I will buy more and more pirates. Also, as you can see, this is new game and she can work a lot of time. As you can see, the similar projects working around 300 days. So if we earn $50 every day and like that 300 days, we will earn $15,000. Okay guys, I hope you understand it and you will invest on this game, because I already earned from this game per 12 days. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.